The truth about green. Why textbooks got plant color wrong for generations. Science textbooks have explained why plants appear green by stating that chlorophyll reflects green light. New research challenges this long-held belief, revealing a far more nuanced and fascinating explanation. The vibrant green of leaves isn't due to reflection at all, but rather a preferential scattering of green light by the plant's cellular structure. The misconception explained the traditional explanation rests on basic optics. Objects appear colored because they reflect the wavelengths we perceive as that color. While true for simple objects like plastic toys, plant leaves are far more complex. They contain multiple layers and structures that interact with light in ways textbooks have overlooked. Chlorophyll doesn't reflect green light, it absorbs blue and red light more strongly. This leaves green light more likely to scatter off structures like cell walls, creating the illusion of a green hue. The 2020 study, led by molecular plant biologist Olli Virtanen at the University of Turku in Finland, definitively proved this with a series of experiments. How the research uncovered the truth. Virtanen's team tested leaves of varying colors, green, yellow, and white, to measure their light reflectivity. Surprisingly, yellow and white leaves, with less or no chlorophyll, reflected more green light than green leaves. If chlorophyll were responsible for reflection, this would not have happened. This discovery points to cellulose in plant cell walls as the primary scatterer of green light. While further research is needed to confirm, the evidence strongly suggests that scattering, not reflection, is the key. Why this matters. The misunderstanding isn't just academic. It highlights how complex biological systems can defy simplistic explanations. The way plants interact with light reveals a deeper level of sophistication than previously assumed. Furthermore, green light isn't wasted on plants. Despite being less efficiently absorbed than blue or red light, it penetrates deeper into leaves, aiding photosynthesis in lower layers. The difference in absorption is only around 20–30%. Meaning plants still utilize a significant amount of green wavelengths. The role of human perception. Why do green leaves appear so vividly green despite absorbing most of the green light? Human vision plays a role. Our eyes are most sensitive to green wavelengths, meaning even a small amount of scattered green light dominates our perception. White and yellow leaves reflect a broader spectrum, but the dominance of scattered green light makes green leaves stand out. With these data, we seek out to falsify and correct the common misconception about chlorophyll reflecting green light. Olli Virtanen et al. The study ultimately demonstrates that textbooks have perpetuated an incorrect explanation for decades. The truth is that plant color is a complex interplay of absorption, scattering, and human perception. A reality far more interesting than the oversimplified narrative of chlorophyll reflection.